In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any Windows operating system using Rufus. This handy tool is a great way to get your desired Windows version directly onto a USB flash drive. It's efficient, straightforward, and ideal for anyone looking to install or reinstall Windows with ease. First things first, you'll need to connect a USB flash drive to your computer. It's important to use a flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, as the Windows files can be quite large. However, before diving in, remember to back up any important data from this drive. This is crucial because the process will format the USB, erasing everything on it. Now let's move on to launching Rufus. Once you've downloaded and installed Rufus from its official website, go ahead and open the application. You should see a straightforward interface. Here, under the Device drop-down menu, select your connected USB flash drive. This step ensures that Rufus uses the correct device to format and write the Windows files. Next, we want to switch from selecting an ISO file to downloading it. Under the Boot Selection heading, there's a small arrow next to the button labeled Select. Click this arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, choose Download instead of Select. This option allows Rufus to directly fetch the operating system of your choice, which simplifies the entire process. Once you've hit Download, Rufus will guide you through a series of selection windows. These will help you tailor the download to your specific needs. First, choose the version of Windows you want. Whether you're looking for Windows 11, Windows 10, or maybe even an older version like Windows 8.1, select the one that best suits your requirements. Following the version selection, you'll be prompted to choose the release. This is an important step to ensure compatibility with your needs and any specific features or updates you are looking for in the operating system. After that, select the edition you're after. It could be Pro, Home, or Education, depending on what you need. Pay attention to this step, as the edition determines the features you'll have access to in Windows. Next up is the language selection. Make sure to choose the appropriate language setting for you to ensure a smooth experience post-installation. Finally, it's time to choose the architecture. Most modern systems will require a 64-bit x64 architecture, but if you're working with older hardware, a 32-bit x86 might be necessary. Once you've made all these selections, simply click Download. Rufus will start downloading the Windows files directly to the USB drive. Now you can install or reinstall Windows as needed, using your newly created bootable USB. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded a Windows OS using Rufus.